Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I want to show you a really quick and easy way to make a very primitive and basic roofing logo. So let's say you're just starting in the business, you don't have a lot of money, or even if you've been in the business a while and you want to rebrand, you just really don't have the funds to put towards that right now. This is a good quick resource for you, and it'll save you the $125 design fee that we have at roofinglogo.com. So what I'm going to use here is a cloud-based, web-based platform called LogoMakr.com. It's LogoMakr.com. You can see that up at the top in the search bar here. When you first start the web-based application, you're going to get a tutorial that shows you how this works as well. Very professional, nicely done. But nonetheless, I'm going to take you through the process really quickly as well. So we're going to click out of this here. You also get these quick little prompts that come up on the screen when you first start. There's 3 of them here. Tells you how to find your logos and graphics. Tells you what tools you have at your disposal over here on the left. And then it also tells you how to save the work. Now you do get a free low resolution copy of the logo with this program. If you want the high quality version, you do have to buy it. I believe it's $5 or $10. It's something super reasonably cheap, and that'll save you some money, like I said. So you can hit done. And up here, we're just going to search roof and hit enter. This one here looks good. We'll go with it. And then we're going to grab it on the corner here and just resize this. So as we drag this across the screen, we're going to put some text in here real quick. As we drag this across the screen, we're going to get these red lines that you can see right there in the middle of the screen. That tells us we're centered up with our graphic. My last name is Baker, so we're going to have to type Baker Roofing. Now let's say we don't like that font color. Let's say we want to go with something black. We can just drag this over here on the right hand side down to the black corner. And there we have it. Let's say we want to put company, the word company underneath Baker Roofing. Company. Just click that, drag that down, click on the corner, resize it. Make sure it's centered up there. You can see our guides click. That tells us it's centered. We're going to change that font to black as well. Click over there on the right, drag it down to black, and there you have it. So you want to change the color of this graphic. You're really not into just the plain black, and you want a little color into it. You can do that, and you can really see how this starts to become fairly professional looking very quickly. There's the phone number. We're going to highlight the text, drag it down to black, click enter. There we go. Let's say we want to make the text match this up here. We can do that. Click there. Actually, that's not how you do that, but nonetheless. We're now seeing the limitations of this kind of a program, but we'll try to get it close there. There you go. So there you have it, folks. Although this color isn't perfect here, if you wanted to spend a little more time, of course you could get that dialed in. I'm sure there's a way to match up the colors. I don't use this a whole lot. I just wanted to make you aware of it. That way you could see that this is a viable option. So we're going to go up here to the right hand corner of the top of the screen there. We're going to click Save Logo. Okay, so there you go. You get this. These are the options for the high resolution versions. You get web-based PNG and JPEG files, which are very important. PNG file is very important if you're going to do a video logo. Same with this SVG and PDF vector files. the high resolution PNG that I just discussed. Very, very important if you're going to do a video logo, and it's well worth the $19 that you're going to spend because you also get this social icon creator too that really helps you out. You can hover over this information screen and it'll tell you everything else you get as well. Of course, you can go down to the bottom here and you can click no thanks, give me the free logo, and you can see down here on the left hand side that it downloads, and we'll hit open and you can see what we got here. LogoMakr, that's our logo. So I have no affiliation with LogoMakr.com. It's just a resource I came across and thought it'd be great to share with you guys. If you have any questions, obviously let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you want a high quality video logo or a very professional roofing logo, obviously feel free to reach out to me at tyler@roofinglogo.com, or just put what you're interested in down in the comments, and I'll be happy to reach out to you.